G'day guys, thanks for checking out our Subaru Liberty that's just arrived. This one here has got the full 360 degree camera, front camera and rear. You got front park sensors, daytime running lights, projector headlights, and is in stunning condition. This one here does have the alloy wheels. You do have your factory rear privacy tin, full leather trim, which is a nice soft touch with the piano black finish throughout. Electric passenger seat, forward and backwards, and it is in that premium leather as well. All that features throughout the vehicle. Coming through inside the car, as you can see through the back, full leather trim. It's even still got the plastic on the rear cup holders. Coming through in the back, you've got your power socket. In the front, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, leather wrap steering wheel, sunroof, and there is so much features that I can't even get them out. Rear parking sensors, alloy spare with a SP Sport Dunlop tyre. You've got hooks there for your shopping bags. Coming down through the side, it's in great condition. Full electric driver's seat with seat memory as well. So what that means is you can set your memory just over here on this side and it will memorize where the driver 1 and 2 is. Lane departure warning, lane keep assist. You've got your adaptive cruise control. You've got your paddle shift automatic. So just up here, auto lights, auto wipers. You've only traveled 63,000 Ks on this.